So now, this is your first day in this coaching for mathematics of 10th class. So now, in NCERT textbook, your 11.1 exercise has the second question. Find the area of quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. So now, this board is small. ये जब शुरुआत में बोर्ड का पैटर्न हमने स्टार्ट किया था तब का बनाया है ये देखिए फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ए क्वाड्रेंट आप करेंगे सबसे पहले तो हम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल मेक अ सर्किल इज द सेंटर एंड से दिस इज द सर्कमफ्रेंस and circumference C is equal to that is 22 centimeters. Look sir, so it means that we have to find out the radius. Now look at this. So this radius is this one. Now look at this. Find the quadrant. He is saying that. So means when one horizontal line is intersected by one vertical line at center with 90 degree is known. It's just dividing the circle into 4 quadrants. So simple. My mean is very much clear. 4 into now one quadrant is equal to complete circle. Complete circle. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So on the basis of the circumferences, first we have to find out the radius. So now see, तो आपको given पहले लिखेंगे. First we have made the figure.
Yes, sir.
The right approach. Already we have shown that the radius we have to find out on the basis of the circumference. So now देखो this. You have to write here given. तो given means आपका नाम circumference of a circle is equal to आपका 22 centimeter. 22 centimeter is given. Then the formula you have to write akana, which you are saying. The formula, this is 2 pi r is equal to 22 centimeter. So now 2 into this is 22 by 7 in place of pi r is equal to 22. It's going up.
Yes, sir.
And these both are coming down. So now r is equal to 22 into 7 upon 22 into 2. This is called by cross multiplication. This 7 is going up on the right hand side and these 2 into 22 is coming down. Upon this one. So 22, 1 is 22. So now R is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter or 3.5 centimeter. So this is your R, which is 3.5 centimeter or 7 by 2 centimeter. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Now, see. Now this you remove from here. Now, now this one is radius r is equal to this is the O center r is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. This we have to find. Now this one is now after removing the 3 by 4 part of this. So now this one is the balanced one of now quadrant. So you have to find out area of quadrant is equal to 1 by 4. ये देखिए आपका ना this 4 quadrant is equal to complete circle. So now it means the area of the quadrant when you are going to find out. So into आपका देखो area of circle you can write. So now देखो this is. So this is 1 by 4. आपका this is pi r square. So now this 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into. Why you are keeping 22 by 7 in place? आपका this pi. Because the radius is here.
7.
Exactly, multiple table of 7. So now look at this. So 7 by 2 का whole square you will write. Look at this. So 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. ये देखिए अपन प्लस. Is it clear? 7 से 7 आपका cancel हो गया. Now okay. Now 2 11 से आपका हो गया. Now देखो this. तो 11 7 से 77 upon 8. This is 77 upon 8. Can you divide this? Quickly, जल्दी डिवाइड करिए, आपका यहाँ पे भी ठीक हो सकता है, लेकिन but now this is you are saying area of quadrant is 9.6. You have used this one, आपने ये यूज किया. लेकिन अगर आपको कोई कहेगा कि एक्स्ट्रा आप इसको क्या another formula you can use, क्या आप दूसरा फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं? ये तो देखो ये सारी द होल वन आपका ना दिस पार्ट यू कैन आपका ऑल्सो यूज इट.
Yes, sir.
But now the another formula which you have to find out. So now देखो area of quadrant is equal to, यहाँ पे आप वो भी यूज कर सकते हो थीटा बाई 360 and pi r square. यही है. Is it clear? So now theta is how much? 90.
90.
Why 90 you have taken? Because this is a quadrant.
Quadrant.
So 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 whole square. इतना प्रोसीजर ये आपको यहाँ भी करना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद in place of this you are keeping this formula. So now this is so 94 आपका 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 2
4.
11 7 7 so 77 by 8 is equal to 9.6 centimeter square. यूनिट जरूर लिखिएगा. सो नाउ देखो दिस एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट आपका इक्वल टू दिस वन इज योर आंसर. श्योर सर?
Yes, sir.
Either you can use this formula or this, it is depend upon you. So now please